My name is Elijah Fernando. Today I am going to present about the computer components. In my presentation, I am going to talk about these following topics. Introduction. A computer is an electronic device that integrates hardware and software, providing various functionalities to user. It accepts data, performs operation, displays results, and stores data. Moving on to the first content. Central processing unit. A central processing is functionally the most important content of the computer system. Without a CPU, any computer is more or less non-functional. It generally referred to as the brain of the computer due to the vast number of functions it performs. Functions of a CPU. Fetching instructions. The CPU normally retrieves instructions from the memory address register. Decoding instruction. The CPU decoder, which is an hardware component inside the CPU, decodes the binary instructions and decides how to deal with the electronic signal based on the instruction. Executing instruction. An execute instruction is a machine language instruction that runs data as machine instruction. Hardware components. Computer hardware refers to external and internal devices and storage which collectively enable computer processes and data transfer. The five essential computer hardware components are motherboard, central processing unit, random access memory, graphical processing unit, storage device. The motherboard. This is the main circuit board in the computer system. It connects all the internal components like memory, processor, graphics, and also provide power to each component. Central processing unit. This is the primary component of the computer that acts as its control center. It handles all the information that goes into and comes out of the computer. Random access memory. This is the computer's short-term memory, where the data that the processor is currently using is stored. The computer can access the RAM much faster than data on a hard disk or SSD. Graphical processing unit. A GPU is an electronic circuit that can perform mathematical calculations at a high speed. Computer tasks like graphic reading, machine learning, and video editing requires the application of similar mathematical operations on a large dataset. Storage device. A storage device is a piece of hardware that primarily uses storing data. Every desktop computer, laptop, tablet, and smartphone will have some kind of storage device within it. Storage media. Storage media refers to physical media or hardware used to store digital or electronic data. Most common storage media devices: HDDs, flash drive, SSD, floppy disk. These are the explanations of storage media devices. Data representation in a computer system. What is data representation? Such an arrangement is known as the presentation of data. It refers to the process of condensing the collected data in a tabular form of graphically. What are the four types of data representation methods? Data representation is about how computers interpret and functions with different information types, including binary systems, bits and bytes, number systems, character encoding. Encryption. What is encryption? Encryption is a way of scrambling data so that only authorized parties can understand the information. Types of encryption. Symmetric encryption, asymmetric encryption, common encryption algorithms, triple DES, RAS, AES. Advantages and disadvantages of encryption. Advantages: data security, legal compliance, data integrity. Disadvantages: high cost, performance impact, user interface issue. Images and sounds representation in a computer. Representing images. Images need to be converted into binary for a computer to process them so that they can be seen on a screen. Digital images are made up of pixels. Each pixel in an image is made up of binary numbers. Images and sounds representation in a computer. Representing sounds. Sounds also need to be converted into binary for computers to be able to process it. To do this, sound is captured usually by a microphone and then converted into a digital signal. An analog to digital converter will sample a sound wave at regular time intervals. Logic gates. A logic gate is an electronic circuit designed by using electronic components like diodes, transistors, resistors, and more. A logic gate is designed to perform logical operations in digital systems like computers, communication systems. So as you can see below, these are the types of logic gates. As you can see, these are examples of logic gates. Computer networks. Computer networking refers to connected computing devices and ever expanding array of load devices that communicate with one another. Types of networks: local area network, personal area network, wide area network. Local area network. A LAN is a network that connects computers and devices in a limited geographical area, such as home, office, school, campus. Personal area network. A PAN is a network established for communication among personal devices within a relatively short range, typically within the reach of an individual person. Wide area network. A WAN is a network that spans a large geographical area connecting multiple LANs and other networks together. Hardware, software, and transmission media used in computer networks. So this is an overview of hardware, software, and transmission media commonly used in computers. World Wide Web technologies. World Wide Web technologies refers to various tools, protocols, languages, and used to create, deliver, and display contents on the internet. Common www technologies: hypertext markup language, cascading style sheets, JavaScript. Uses of www technologies. Hypertext markup language is the standard markup language used to create web pages. It defines the structure and contents of a web page using elements and tags. Cascading style sheets is used to style and format HTML documents, controlling the layout, appearance, and design of the web pages. JavaScript is a programming language used to add interactive and dynamic behavior to web pages. Network topologies. Network topology can be used to define or describe the arrangement of various types of telecommunication networks, including command and control radio networks and computer networks. These are some common network topologies: star topology, bus topology, ring topology, mesh topology, hybrid topology. Star topology. In a star topology, all devices are connected to a central hub or switch. Communication between devices occur through the central hub. Bus topology. In a bus topology, all devices are connected to a single communication line. Each device on a bus receives every transmission. Ring topology. In a ring topology, devices are connected in a closed loop or ring, with each device connected to two neighboring devices. Data travels in one direction around the ring. Mesh topology. In a mesh topology, every device is connected to every other device in the network. This creates a highly redundant and fault-tolerant network. Hybrid topology. A hybrid topology is a combination of two or more different network topologies. It offers flexibility to meet specific network requirements and allow for scalability and customization. Conclusion. In conclusion, computer systems we discuss together represents the backbone of modern technology, enabling businesses, individuals and societies to achieve remarkable feats. From hardware to software, security to connectivity, every component plays a crucial role in shaping our digital landscape. As we move forward, it's imperative to prioritize innovation, adaptability, and sustainability to ensure that our computer systems continue to drive progress and meet the evolving needs of a rapidly changing world. So, these are the references. Thank you.